Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer Sea of Thieves on PlayStation 5. First, launch the game on your console. You'll be prompted to link a Microsoft account to your PlayStation Network profile, which is essential for crossplay and saving your progress. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as Sea of Thieves is an always online experience. This initial setup is quick, taking only a few moments, and sets the stage for your pirate adventures. Once you've set sail, it's time to gather your crew. From the main menu, choose Adventure and then Set Sail, picking your preferred ship size, like a 2-person sloop or a 4-person galleon. You can invite friends directly from your PlayStation Friends list or use the in-game crew management screen. Remember, Sea of Thieves supports full crossplay, so you can easily team up with pirates on Xbox, PC, and other platforms for shared voyages. With your crew assembled, the real adventure begins. Teamwork is key to managing your vessel. One pirate can steer while another adjusts the sails or drops anchor. You'll embark on shared voyages, cooperatively digging up buried treasure, solving intricate riddles, and battling hordes of skeletons. Be prepared for exciting player-versus-player encounters, where coordinating your cannons and repairs with your crew is vital for victory on the high seas. Effective communication is the backbone of any successful pirate crew. Use voice chat to coordinate your actions, or leverage the in-game radial menu for quick commands. Remember to share resources generously. Distribute bananas for health, cannonballs for combat, and wooden planks for ship repairs. Assigning specific roles, like helmsman or lookout, can greatly enhance your team's efficiency and ensure a smooth, enjoyable, and profitable journey across the Sea of Thieves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.